In the past few months, this Faceless YouTube channel has made over $30,000 just by uploading simple motivational videos. And if we take a closer look at their oldest video, the channel literally started less than a year ago. Some of their videos have racked up millions of views. In total, this channel has over 9 million views, which is just insane. But it's not just this channel. I've found other new channels doing the same thing too, growing rapidly with similar AI videos. All of these channels are monetized and earning thousands of dollars every month. The crazy thing is that you can create these videos in less than an hour, even with no experience in video editing. So let's take a look at one of their most popular videos.
Have you ever experienced a moment when you completed a job well, had a great idea, or did something truly valuable for others, only to receive no credit for it? If you keep trying to please people who don't give you the recognition you deserve.
I think you get the idea. These are motivational and inspirational videos rooted in ancient Greek and Roman Stoic philosophy. You'll only need 3 things for videos like these: background music, some AI-generated clips of extremely muscular ancient Greek statues, and a deep male voiceover, just like this.
This is a deep male voiceover. You can easily make this with AI.
After watching this video, you'll be able to create higher quality videos than their viral ones that have gained millions of views. To prove it, here's a quick clip of the video I managed to create in just 15 minutes.
Don't be afraid to be alone. Being by yourself is far superior to being with bad company. Each person, object, or situation in our lives carries with it a certain energy, and not all of this energy serves us positively. Learning to detach is to understand that holding on to the old prevents the arrival of the new.
To create a similar video, we'll follow 5 steps. Step 1 is creating a script. If you already have a script, you can skip this part. To create a script, we first need a video idea. I recommend starting with proven concepts. Check out their popular videos and pick a topic for your video. For example, I'm going to choose this topic, 10 things you should do every morning, because it has over 1 million views, which shows people are interested in it. Now, to create a script, you can use ChatGPT to generate one for your video. However, there's still a way to use ChatGPT in this case, but we'll get back to that later. To get a well-written and organized script, I recommend using an amazing AI tool called Dupdub. It's an all-in-one AI tool with many purposes and use cases, so let's go step by step. There are 2 ultimate ways to generate a viral script using this tool. You'll find the Dupdub link in the video description. The first way is to generate a script using an AI tool. Once you create an account, you'll land on the home page. From there, click on AI Writing, and you'll be taken to this page. Next, click on Ask AI to Write, then select YouTube and choose Video Script. Now, all you need to do is type in your video topic and click here. You can see the result, a well-organized script. You can now edit any part of the script you want. You can make it longer or shorter, and if you want to change the tone, you can easily do that too. You can even translate your script into any language. You have full control over your script to make it sound as natural as possible. However, there's another easy and secret way to generate a viral script using Dupdub. The easiest way to go viral is by using scripts that have already proven to go viral. So, let's go to Armored Wisdom, the channel I showed at the beginning of the video, and select one of their popular videos. Copy the link, then go back to Dupdub and click on AI Transcription. You'll be directed to this page. Paste the YouTube video link by clicking here, select the video language from the drop-down, and finally, click here. In just a few seconds, you'll get a well-organized and easy-to-read script of the video. This method is the quickest way to obtain a script. Now we can do whatever we want with it. Rewrite it, summarize it, or make it longer or shorter. We can't directly use this script in our video due to copyright issues, so we need to rewrite it and create a new version for our video. This AI tool can do that in just a few clicks. Simply click on Rewrite and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll see the old script alongside the new version. If you read both scripts, you'll notice differences, but this isn't the complete script yet. We need to click on Continue Writing to finish it. As you can see, our script is now complete. If you want to rewrite it again, just click Rewrite once more. You can also make the script longer, which is useful for creating a longer video. Finally, click on Replace Selection to remove the old copyrighted script. And there you have it, a fresh script on the same topic. So we've completed our first step in just a few minutes. Step 2 is to create a voiceover. So let's go back to Dupdub's homepage and click on AI Voiceover. You'll be taken to this page. Here, we need to provide our script. Copy the script from here and paste it in this section. Next, we need to choose the best voiceover for our Stoic motivational video. Click here to see a variety of pre-made voiceovers to select from. You can preview each one by clicking on this small icon.
The story begins on a gloomy night, lonely stretch of New York, where we see a toll booth, where a man is doing his night shift as a toll collector.
I think this one is great for motivational videos.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life.
This one is also good. Once you choose a voice style for your video, click on Confirm. Now let's test it one more time with our own script.
Sometimes, we may feel like we are not a priority to others, even when we have done our best and contributed valuable ideas or help.
It's perfect. Now go here and click on Export. Click on Export again, and in just a few seconds, our voiceover will be ready. If you're not satisfied with any of these voice styles, or if you want to create a unique style that sounds like you can train this tool with your own voice. So let's go back to the home page and click on Instant Voice Cloning. Here, you just need to upload your recorded voiceover, and this AI tool will instantly create a new voice style for you. This is my favorite feature, so don't forget to try it. They also have an amazing feature called AI Avatar. With this, you can create an AI avatar video like this.
The crazy part is that you can literally create these videos in less than an hour without any experience in video editing.
The amazing part is that you can literally create these videos in under an hour, even with no experience in video editing. This is incredibly useful for faceless creators. You just need to upload your image by clicking here, and this AI tool will automatically generate an avatar for you. Step 3 is to create AI images and videos. For this, we're going to use an incredible AI tool called Leonardo AI. I'll include the link in the video description. Quickly sign in with your Google account and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll see a lot of stunning AI images generated by Leonardo AI. This tool isn't completely free, but with a free account, you get 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our needs. Click on Image Creation, and you'll be taken to this page. In this box, you need to type your prompt. I've created several prompts for you, which you can access for free from the video description. Your job is to copy these prompts one by one and paste them into this box. You can also edit these prompts to create more variations. Click here and you'll get the results in just a few seconds. As you can see, I've generated many similar images with this AI tool. You'll find all the prompts in the video description to help make your video engaging. We need to convert these images into videos. You can easily do that within Leonardo AI. First, select the image and click on this small icon called Generate Motion Video. Then click here. Here's the final result. It looks pretty good. Similarly, convert all the images into videos. After that, download all the videos by clicking on this small icon. So, we've successfully completed our third step. Our fourth step is to download background music. I always recommend Epidemic Sound for finding great background music. I'll include the link in the description. If you're looking for free background music, you can visit Mixkit. There, you'll find some premium music available for free. For instance, I'm searching for mysterious music. I think this is perfect for our video. Let's download it by clicking here. As you can see, all audio tracks are completely free and ready for use in your next project, meaning we can use any of this music without copyright issues. Step number 5. Now we'll combine and edit all the elements to complete the video. You can use any video editing software you like. I'll use the CapCut app because it's free and available for all devices. You can find the CapCut app on the Play Store for your mobile device. So let's open the CapCut app now. Import all the videos, voiceovers, and music you downloaded. We need to edit the voiceover to make it more engaging. As you can see, it has a lot of pauses, and if you leave it like that, your video won't go viral and people will just click off. We need to remove all the pauses, which you can easily do using the split tool, just like this. Okay, our voice editing is done. Now, drag all of these videos to the timeline and adjust the placement of everything. To keep it simple, I'm making just a 30-second video. You can create a 10 to 20-minute video using the same method. Next, I'll add black fade transitions between the videos. To do this, go here and click on Transitions. Find the one called Black Fade and drag it right here. If you click on Apply to All, it will apply to all the videos. If you look at their videos, you'll notice they added a dark theme. To add that dark theme, first create an adjustment layer from here and stretch it across the entire project. Then, go here, increase the vignette to around 20, and decrease the blacks to around 10. It's looking fantastic. Here's the before and after. If you want to add a noise effect, you can easily do that as well. Go to Effect, search for Noise, and add the black noise effect to the video. Here's the result. It's so good, you can add it to your video for free. To make the video darker, you can add the effect called Black Forest. Here's the before and after. Now, let's add the music to the video. Make sure to lower the volume to at least 20. Okay, our video is almost ready. Now, we just need to add captions, which is very easy. Click on Caption, select Auto Caption, and finally click here. Here's the result. In just a few seconds, our caption is ready. You can customize all the captions from here. I recommend using a template to save time. Go here and select any of these templates. This is my favorite. Now, let's preview the video.
Sometimes, we may feel like we are not a priority to others, even when we have done our best and contributed valuable ideas or help. This can be disheartening, especially when it involves those close to us. According to Stoic philosophy, we should not expect recognition from others because it is beyond our control. However, there are steps we can take to become a priority in someone's life and be more recognized. By understanding and applying these steps, we can make the people we care about feel that they are always a priority in our lives. It is important to watch the video until the end to learn these steps.
Okay, it looks fantastic. To export the video, go to Export and click on Export again. In a few minutes, your video will be ready. Your next step is to upload this video to a new YouTube channel. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel will be eligible for monetization. If you want to start earning money from your first video, you should promote affiliate links or your own products in the video description. If you're still concerned about monetization, check out these channels. All of them are monetized. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.